What is going on, everybody? John SpankyStokes here with another video review-ish. Not another game one, but it's kind of, once again, pertains to games. So it's technology based, and it's kind of like what we have going on here. This is a microphone. This is from the company MAONO, and they actually are awesome, and I really like them, so I ended up picking up this this Lavalier microphone. Let's see, can we get a focus on that? Come on, focus, not on my face. Anyways, it's one of those microphones that clips on to your lapel or anywhere, and it allows you to record, say, your voice. If you're doing an interview with somebody, you can interview them, clip this onto them. So it's pretty cool. I do a lot of reviews on some of my other channels, so I'm most likely going to be using this when I do those reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, and I will also hook it up to my iPhone, and we'll test the audio quality while you guys are still watching on this camera. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out and see what is in the box. What's in the box? Shall we? So, nice simple box. Video shooting, it says. Let me just blow this thing up. You don't need to see my face. So we got video shooting, presentation, interview, selfies, technical mumbo jumbo that I don't really know anything about, mobile phone, camcorder, PC, DSLR. So the box slides out to reveal the product. Let's go ahead and open up this little clamshell we got going on here. Nice simple box. Got the silica sand. Do not eat this. It says right on the package, throw away. Do not eat. I wonder if anybody's actually eaten this. I'm sure that people have. Don't do that. Come on. Don't eat that stuff. It says throw it away. Alright, I'll throw it away. Then, okay. All the good stuff is hidden underneath. Look at that. So this appears to be the pull that out. Alright, here we go. So this appears to be the microphone like condenser, where you get all the power, because these have got to be powered on. So that being said, it has to have a charger as well. Comes with a USB charger. Comes with a nice little case after you unbox it. A little bag that you can just kind of throw your microphone in when you're done with it. Some pamphlets, instruction manuals. Don't need no instruction manuals. Here is the little wind hat for the microphone, however you want to call that. And here is the clip for the lavalier. So let's go ahead and we will just go and slide this on top of this microphone. Here's the mic right here. This little thing right here. So let's go and slide this on. Maybe. Oh, oh. Run away. It doesn't want to go on. Let me see here. Should be able to kind of just stretch it on. You want it to be a snug fit, so that's a good thing that this is kind of tight. There we go. And this kind of goes on. So this gets rid of those gnarly sounds and wind blowing through for the most part. And then this guy, this little clip, what's going on here? How do we do this? Okay, so the wire slides through here, I believe. It's a tight little squeeze for this wire. Ugh, don't cut the wire. Okay, there we go. And then that slides down on top of the microphone, like so. Boom. So now this clips onto, like I said, myself. So it has this input. That's like the main, like you can plug in an amplifier, kind of, I don't even know what that plug's called, but it also has that little dude, and that's the one we're going to use. But seeing as I have an iPhone and they got rid of those sweet audio jacks on these things, I have to have a dongle, lightning to audio, so that will plug into there. Boom. And then this lavalier will plug directly into that when I'm ready to go. Boom, plugged in. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Turn it on. Can you guys see that green little light that just came on? Wait, did it go away? Let me see if I can get that light again. There we go. Green light. Does that mean it's on? We are gonna test this. Alright, so I'm taking this mic and I'm gonna just go, I guess, clip it on to my shirt. If you're doing it like real pro, you go up underneath the shirt, right? So it says it's on. So what I'm going to do now, the cable, the cord on this thing is super duper long, which is great. You can do, you know, interviews from a distance. From a distance. I don't want to unravel this whole thing, so I'm hoping I can kind of keep some of it together so it doesn't get all crazy on video here. Don't get crazy. Alright. And then we will go ahead and just try recording a video. It's a video of a video. See that? So we'll flip this around. And because we are plugged into the headphone jack at the bottom here, it should automatically pick up that audio. So I'm just going to go ahead and record. Actually, who am I to record that way? You got to flip it so we have the right aspect ratio, because I'm going to end up throwing this into this video. So here we go. This is a test of the MAONO lavalier microphone that we are doing in this review. As you can see, it is right here on my lapel. If that's what you want to call lapel. You can hear it. Just testing out the audio so you guys can see the quality. The next video will be the iPhone, just direct microphone. And here we are testing out the iPhone microphone. So you can hear the audio quality and you can compare the two. The one that you just heard, the MAONO lavalier microphone, and the iPhone microphone. So there you go. You guys can be the judge of this awesome little device. This little guy sounds good, right? Sounds really good. And the quality, pricing, very, very good, and I am very impressed with how it turned out. You guys, if you are recording reviews, interviews, doing gameplay stuff, and you want to do some voiceover, this thing is perfect. But just note, if you don't have an iPhone, or if you do have an iPhone, you're going to need that lightning to audio adapter. The dongle. Got to get that dongle in there. But like always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you've made it this far, please just hit that red subscribe button. It's red like my shirt. Just hit it. Be like, yo, I'll subscribe. Boom. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out. So once I do have you subscribe, I can be your friend and notify you of other reviews or gameplay videos or things like that that I do. So that's all it is. And like it, leave me a comment, all that fun stuff. But I hope you like this review of the MAONO Lavalier microphone. Very cool. Pick one up. The link will be down below, or you can check out MAONO and all of their awesome products. But like I always say, until next time, peace and hair grease. Thanks for watching, everybody.